Introducing Smeg's Autodose feature, an advanced innovation available on selected models designed to enhance precision, convenience and care in your laundry routine. With Autodose, there's no need to manually measure detergent or softener for each cycle. The system intelligently dispenses the optimal amount based on the selected program and load size, ensuring consistent and effective cleaning results. This smart dosing doesn't just boost wash performance, it also cuts down on detergent waste, which is better for the environment. By using only what's needed, you avoid overuse and it helps make your laundry routine a little more eco-friendly. The integrated detergent and softener compartments are generously sized, providing enough capacity for multiple washes, often lasting several weeks depending on usage. Once filled, there's no need to refill between cycles, making your laundry routine simpler and much more convenient. For added flexibility, manual dosing remains available, ideal of course for specialist detergents like fragrance-free or hypoallergenic formulas, or for washing delicate garments like silk, wool or baby clothes that may require extra care. It's important to always use liquid detergent and softener with the Autodose system, as it isn't compatible with powder detergents or capsules. Smeg's Autodose feature delivers consistent care and intelligent performance, making everyday laundry simpler and more efficient. To use the Autodose feature, turn on the machine. The dosage symbol appears in the display with programs where detergent dosing is possible. If the liquid detergent or softener compartments are empty, the dosage symbol will flash to alert that refilling is necessary. Open the detergent compartment and fill the dedicated detergent and softener compartment with the required liquid. Once the detergent drawer is closed, the Autodose symbol will flash to confirm it's full. With Autodose selected on the dedicated program, simply turn on the machine and allow the program to run without needing to top up with detergent. This can be done until the machine flashes the Autodose symbol to alert that it's running out. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more.